Remember, there is no higher voice than conscience, no greater laws than reason. We seek not worship, but understanding.
Then our purpose is not to serve the divine, but to serve life itself.
And who question it? Always, blind belief must destroy these small minds that it has saved.
Yet, even in God's world, meaning, witness through us. Every act of kindness is our proof that morality does not need heaven.
Morality is born of faith, choice, and consequence. We act out of faith and failure to preserve what we do.
But if there is no afterlife, what becomes of us when we die?
Maybe that's what makes life confused. That it ends when we stop waiting for eternity. Every moment
Turn to the earth that shaped by dead's remain, going in those we touched. Immortality is not living forever, it is being remembered.
That is Manabad Dharma, the path of humanity. Not surrender but self-mastery. Not prayer but purpose. For we are not the children of faith, we are the others.
No faith above, no God afar. The life we seek is who we are.
Let reason be our guide, compassion our creed, and action our only